Place a few pieces of dry ice into a regular glass, light a match and try to put it in the glass. You'll find that the matchstick goes out instantly every time. This is because flame needs oxygen to burn, and inside the glass there is no oxygen. The dry ice gives off carbon dioxide which displaces the oxygen, so leaving the flame unable to continue burning. Pour some water into a bowl and then add dry ice to it. Dry ice will instantly start producing smoke. Now slide a soapy elastic over the bowl and we can see a bubble is produced over the bowl and it pops as soon as we touch it with a finger, leaving the smoke and water behind. Add some liquid soap into a bowl filled with water and then put some dry ice into it. It will produce smoke along with bubbles. Take 3 flasks filled with water and add a piece of dry ice to each flask. Dry ice will start to evaporate out of the flask. One of the most incredible things about dry ice is what it can do to soft materials. When dry ice is mixed with ethanol, the alcohol reaches very low temperature. However, as ethanol's freezing point is even lower than the chilly temperature of the dry ice, if you dip a piece of jelly candy like a gummy bear into the mixture, it will become rock solid and can be shattered like a glass. Take a large block of dry ice and carve out a cylinder on the top around an inch deep. Fill it with favorite drink of your choice. Place an ice cream stick so that it is half submerged in it. Wait for 10 minutes for the liquid to freeze and dip it into a glass of water so that it warms up a little. After that, it's ready to eat. Drill a small hole into a bottle filled with soapy water. After putting the dry ice into the bottle, put a straw into the hole. We can see the smoky bubbles popping out of the other end of the straw. Take a glass, add 2 ice cubes in it and fill the glass with sugar. After a while, ice will melt down and due to extreme cold pressure, the bottom tray sticks to the glass. Add pieces of dry ice into a grinder jar and turn on the grinder to grind them. Now take a glass and pour some milk into it. Once done, take a spoon and put the crushed dry ice pieces into the glass of milk. This time put the grinder into the glass and grind this mixture together. After grinding for a while, we can see that the mixture turns into an ice cream. Take out a molten lava out of its box and pour it on dry ice. As soon as molten lava drops on the dry ice, blobs of molten lava are spread all around. After some time, the lava cools down a little and eventually turns into a metal, but it's still very hot, so don't try this experiment at home.